So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial to get into. If you want to replace your long site's URL with your own professional domain, here's how to set up a custom domain on Google Sites. Firstly, sign into your Google Sites and open the website you want to connect your custom domain. Make sure your site has already been published and then click Publish in the upper right corner. In the Publishing settings, look for the Custom Domains section. Click Manage, then select Start Setup. Google will ask you to enter the domain you want to connect. Enter it. And then click Next. Google now may ask you to verify that you own the domain. Select the option Verify your ownership, and this will take your Google's verification process. Do it. Now, they will provide you with a verification TXT record. It will look similar to Google's site verification, etc. Click Copy and then keep this tab open because you'll need to return to it after adding the DNS record. Now open the website where your domain's DNS is managed, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc. Find the option to add a new DNS record, then create a TXT one. For the host or name field, Google may instruct you to use @ For the value or content field, pass the complete verification code Google provided. Leave the TTL at the provider's default value unless Google specifically tells you otherwise. Then save the DNS record. Return to the Google verification page, click Verify, and DNS changes can take some time to become visible, so don't worry if verification doesn't work immediately. If Google can't detect the record yet, wait and try again. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.